Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to add languages to your keyboard on your Android phone. Adding multiple languages lets you switch between them while typing, making it easier to chat, write emails, or browse the web in different languages. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Next, tap System, General Management, or Additional Settings, depending on your device. Then, tap Languages and input or keyboard. Select your current keyboard, such as Gboard or Samsung keyboard. Tap Languages or Languages and Types. Next, tap Add Keyboard or Add Language. Browse the list and select the language you want to add. If available, choose your preferred keyboard layout, then tap Done or Add. Once the language has been added, open any app where you can type. You can switch between languages by tapping the globe icon or by pressing and holding the spacebar, depending on your keyboard. That's all. You've successfully added a new language to your Android keyboard. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.